Right. Hi, I'm Dan Wirtz. I'm an engineer with National Instruments, and we have here today our vector signal analyzer. It goes up to 26 gigahertz and has up to 765 megahertz of instantaneous bandwidth. And this is an application showing streaming of the output data into a Flex Rio card for co-processing. And this application is a real-time spectrum analyzer. So it's streaming data out at 800 megasamples per second and doing FFTs on that data in real time such that there's no gaps in the observation. So this demo can actually detect RF pulses as short as 1.5 microseconds, and you have a 100% probability of capturing that event. And it's very useful for detecting infrequently occurring RF things, like if you have a little spurious emission from a device, or if you're trying to identify radio transmission that happens infrequently. And this display here shows those events as a function of time in a waterfall plot. And you can also do things like have a max hold. You can set trigger levels so that if any pulse exceeds a trigger level, you can trigger other stuff to happen in the PXI chassis, additional measurements or capturing of data. And the real purpose of the demo is to show the co-processing capability of peer-to-peer streaming into a Flex Rio, and that you have control over the code that goes in there. This is just the application we created, but you're free to modify it and put your own kind of code in there. So that's about it. Awesome.